Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two things for you. One is a code and one is an Android trick, and both of them are really amazing if you are using an Android phone. And I'm going to show you how this will work for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. But before I proceed with this, I would request you, please go ahead and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first code which I have that you can use, most of the time you have seen that when you're busy on a call and your girlfriend calls you up from behind, then your phone shows busy to her and you won't able to disconnect the call because it is very important. But that point of time your girlfriend get irritated. So that point of time this code really helps you. What exactly you need to do, you simply just have to go to the dial pad and here you have to dial *002 and then star, and then you have to dial a number which should be of 11 digit. It should not be of 10 digit or 9 digit. It should be of 11 digit. Any number you can dial, as I have dialed this number here which is of 11 digit, and then I have to press hash and then dial this one. What exactly this will do, it will automatically forward all the calls to this number, and this number is a disconnected number. It's an incorrect number. Whenever your girlfriend will call you up, your phone will show it's an incorrect number. It will show that call forwarding. See this? All the calls has been forwarded to the incorrect number which is not exist. And when your girlfriend calls you up and your phone is busy, it will show her that you are dialing an incorrect number. And then later on, if you want to disconnect this one, simply just have to dial here #002 and then hash, and when you dial this one here again, it will automatically disable this one. See this? It has been disabled. Later on you can able to disable this one. You can able to receive all the calls normally. So this trick really helps you. If you don't want to show your phone busy all the time, then this trick really helps you.
Now the second trick is also really amazing. For that you have to just go to the setting, and in setting you have to just go to the password and security. Click on that, and here you will be getting an option of emergency SOS. Click on that, and then you have to just make it turn it on. The moment you turn it on, it will ask you to add a number, and here it will give you all the contact number here. So I'm going to select here one number on the bottom, this one, and then click on OK. Now it will automatically add this number. Once you make these settings of emergency SOS, whenever you are in trouble or you get an accident or any problem you have, that point of time this trick really helps you. What exactly you need to do, once you make all this setting, then you come out of this one here, simply just have to press your power button 5 times, and then there is an emergency message automatically goes to that particular number which you have added here. It will send a message to this number that you are in a trouble, and your family members will also get a link where they click on that, and they will reach onto your live location as well, and they can able to track you from there as well, and they can able to contact you as well, and they can help you as well. So this emergency SOS should be turned on in your phone as well. That is really important for every Android user as well. So these are the two tricks which I have right now for Android user. I hope that you like both of them. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.